Hello everyone and welcome back to another video at Voice of Crypto with the BitBlond. None of this content is a financial advice. Just to remind, you must do your own market research before trading or investing. Let's get into the content. Today we're talking about candlestick patterns and candlestick names, what they are, what they do in the market, the importance behind them. We're going to have a nice outlook to see every single candle, to get familiar with it. What are the candlesticks? The candlesticks are a group of candles on the graph. They represent the price and the power of the buyers and the sellers. The green candles represent the buyers and the red represent the breakdown. So it represents the sellers. Green and red. Everybody use this color. Some people still trade on blue colors. It's up to you. You can really customize the way you like it, but the majority of people do trade with green and red candles. It's just easier to understand what is going on in the market. So that's what we're looking in today. Before we get into the great examples we're having next, I want to show you the classic and the most important candles. So we have the bullish candlestick and the bearish candlestick. The key candlestick patterns. What the key candlestick patterns is, the most important. They play out a lot on a market. If you really look into them, they look very similar, but in the opposite color, they change the direction of the market. So if you need, pause the video, have a deep look into it. You do want to memorize the candlestick patterns. So here we got the engulfing, the hammer, the piercing, and the harami into the bullish side. And at the other side, we got the engulfing, the shooting star, the dark cloud cover, and the harami to the bearish side. When they do play in the opposite, they send the market to a different direction. Make sure you're going to memorize that. Those candlestick patterns play all the time. Even knowing, though, you need to combine them with some TA and some filters to have a better outcome on your graph, on your trades, to understand more the graphs. But if you do study them, you will realize you can literally predict a lot of things with these very, very simple and strong candlestick patterns. At this scenario, you can see a bullish engulfing play out. The price came all the way down and it formed the bullish engulfing scenario. You could have made a buy position with your stop loss at 10% below it and your take profit all the way up. And here it's a very great example of a bearish engulfing pattern. So the price went up, got rejected, and the bearish engulfing pattern played out. So you can make a good sell here. As you see, you can literally make a sell here with a 10%, 15% stop loss towards the downside. And you could have made some profit off the engulfing pattern. Those were very nice and strong patterns to look out for, and I hope you did enjoy this video. Stay tuned for the next ones. I am going through the other patterns on the next videos. Make sure to like, follow Voice of Crypto everywhere if you like to know everything about crypto, and I'll see you soon.